Alright, what's going on, guys? Just a quick video for today. So I totally forgot that I had this in storage. It is a 3-inch shifter extender or extension. Yeah, I was just looking around through my stuff and I found this, so I decided to make a quick video about it. So I'm not exactly sure what the benefit is of having a longer shifter, but one of the things I do know is that it allows you to keep your hand on the steering wheel longer, or keep it off for a shorter amount of time. So mind you, this doesn't impact the distance of your throw from here, so it does impact your leverage and the distance from up here since it sits much higher. So imagine this, but you know, a little bit higher. When you're throwing, you have to throw from the top. It's going to take you a longer period to shift. I read online that, you know, shifter extensions provide a little bit of comfortability when you're driving, just because it's smoother when you shift. I honestly don't know. So overall, I think it eliminates the overall time that your hand is off of the steering wheel. You know, since it is longer, it shortens this distance right here, meaning you can grab it faster and grab it back, or grab the steering wheel back. So let's go ahead and install it. It's really easy. Just slap it on here again and drive with it and give you my point of view of it. So basically, you just want to take the old one off, or the stock shift knob, twist it on here. This did come with a nut right here, but I think it's just to tighten the thing, but I'm just going to tighten it by hand. And I am going to swap out this one, the stock shift knob, for my favorite titanium STI shift knob right here. So let's go ahead and do that. This does not look pretty, and your reverse is going to be a little harder to engage just because of that distance. Just to give you an example of how close, or how much higher this is, so I can grab my index and my thumb and touch the two from the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and do some point of view and see what it looks like. All right, I'm kind of doing a different angle here, so if the wind noise is too loud, my apologies. I'm just trying to get something different for the shots. All right, guys, I really hope you could see this. I'm having a hard time with the head mount here. So it does feel a little better when I'm shifting. I mean, it's way closer to the steering wheel, so I can literally just shift and then put my hand back on the steering wheel. But as far as like any other benefits, I mean, I don't really see any, to be honest with you, unless you're, you know, a full-time race car driver where every millisecond counts. But you know, for me, it's just it's comfortable because the armrest right here is kind of far back, so I can literally just like chill and then shift like this. And I do feel the longer throws, just because I mentioned earlier that it's higher, so you have to pull back a little further since it sits up much higher than the stock one. But I don't know, I might run this for a couple days and see how it does, or see how I feel about it. So I do see the benefit of having a longer shifter as opposed to having a, you know, a short one that's all the way down here. I do enjoy the comfortability of it. Like I mentioned, my arm is on the armrest and I can shift like this if I wanted to. I'm not too comfortable yet with the, you know, with shifting quickly, just because I got so used to having my shift knob all the way down here, or my shifter all the way down here. So I'm pretty sure once you get used to where the gears are, it'll be smooth like butter. Yeah, so I see the benefits of both. I mean, with the shorter shifter, you know, you have quicker throws, but like I said, it's not going to change the distance. This is not going to change the distance of your throws in general. The leverage from up here, it will, just because you have to pull back and push up further, but overall, there's no difference in this right here, this distance. So yeah, I had to get some coffee on the way home, but let me know your thoughts on this shifter extension. You know, I've seen a couple that are going for $70+ and there's some that are going for $20. Is it worth it? You know, I'm not sure. If you think it's worth it, then it should be worth it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on it, questions, comments. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day by doing nothing and, you know, maybe edit some videos. Enjoy your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.